made it to Volcano Bay. We're waiting. Park opens at 9. It is packed. We're not even at the gate yet. It's 8:50 currently on Thursday, June the 2nd. We are at the back of the line. Just made it through security and we are walking down to the park now. So we got our Tapu bands, and now we're looking to go into the park. We gotta show them our room key since we have early park admission. So we got a cabana for today, so we have to check in over here at the concierge desk. We got the Lake Village, the Rivers, the Rainforest Village. She said it's a good one. We need a towel before we go. Me too. I'm getting one of those before we go. There should be a restroom on the cabana too, as much as we paid for it. She said it was a good one, but she didn't say whether it was the top or bottom.
We have the lazy one, which is on this side of the park, and then we have the fast one where you wear life jackets. Because there's waves of up to 6 feet, so that one is more exciting. Then you can do the lazy one like after lunch, but you can start with the fast one.
We don't got no
waves up to 6 feet.
What, on the fast one? Oh Lord, Mello, we gonna have to hold you down, boy. She said waves up to 6 feet on the fast.
I'm getting on everything.
Everything got sand. My gosh.
Can I get a coffee?
Let me get that top. Get that.
I hope we got a top one. Please let us have a top one. Woo, the Evans family. Yes. We got the top one. So we at the top of the totem pole. We belong at the top. Yeah.
It's gonna be the locker for the day. There's the keys, towels, waters. That's your drink menu, your food menu on the other side. That's the map.
Woo! We got a nice little view.
Yeah. I'm adjusted. That's the ride right there.
And then you see like most of the rides are to the back.
Always up there.
We got a little view of something.
And then I recommend that you guys tap in for Krakatoa.
Alright, so now we tap in to get on the Krakatoa. Come on, Mello, so you can tap. Come over here so you can tap in. Come on. Stop moving like that. Come on, put your bracelet up here.
That one isn't that bad. Come on.
Come on. Mello, put your bracelet here.
And you're not doing it by yourself. You're doing it with your family.
Good. All right.
Did everyone tap?
Yeah. So can you just show me how to do it for the next ride?
So
we gotta wait till that ride finishes?
Yeah.
yeah, you can only do one wait time at a time, but if you walk around and you see a ride that says 0 minutes, even though you have a wait time on your bed, you can go in.
And how much time do we have to get to the ride?
Oh, you can go to the ride at 5 o'clock.
Okay, as long as we, okay.
Yeah. So you come here, you select pick a ride, and then you scroll, find the ride that you want to do, and then you just tap it.
Okay, perfect. So how do we know when it's time to get on that ride?
So
it's
it count down the
Oh,
increments
okay.
of 5, and then someone is gonna be like, my watch just vibrated.
Okay.
But it's not, all of them are not gonna vibrate at the same time. It's gonna be like,
Hey, over here only.
so they're gonna deliver a welcome basket a little later. It's gonna have fruits and pastries.
Okay.
And then your server should be over to check on you guys. So you're gonna do like ordering. It's gonna be on a tab, and then you pay it at the end of the day.
Okay.
Any
Sounds good.
questions?
I think that's good. Okay, so we just got our complimentary fruit basket, sugar cookie, some bananas, muffins, pineapples, grapes, orange, apples, and some danishes. Perfect, since we didn't have breakfast. Go ahead.
What up with y'all?
I told y'all that's the whole reason why I came here for that ride right there. Oh yeah, no, it's over there. The wine. We can probably get on Hagrid.
Hey, cheese, Mello.
Hey, boys. Over there. Let's wait for my mother, y'all. Mello, come here. You guys gonna go on? Come here. Ask him how. Thank you, Mello. Come here. Mello. If you put your thing right here, it'll splash water at people. This kid. So when you see these kiosks here, you can use your taboo and take a picture here with your family. So cool. Get him! Get him! Ooh!
It was too hot. I don't know. I don't like that. I thought we was gonna fall out.
Hands up, boy. He got that bowl, boy. That's like the But yeah, I'm guessing like when the building, that's when the baby was. You're supposed to clap. Mello, you gotta clap. Clap, Mello. Mello, clap.
Thanks, I didn't hear the first one, so. Ding dong what? Oh, okay. Oh, I don't have a doorbell. So look, it's a ding dong day. Blue. What about it? I'm not sad or anything, so why would I say that? This kid's not very good at telling jokes. I'm finding he's not very good. It's not funny. It's not, not everyone has the skill. It's an acquired skill. It takes practice, I prefer to leave it on my face. I'm very simple.
Thank you for watching the video. My family had an amazing time at Volcano Bay, and if you and your family decide to visit Volcano Bay, I highly recommend you get a cabana. It definitely maximized our trip, and we definitely plan on visiting again. Until our next video, bye.